Hello guys, welcome to the studio. Yes, if you recall in one of our previous videos, we talked about the fact that you should expect more firmware update from Akai, given the fact that this is a new major update entirely. That the 2.11 is a major update entirely, so you should expect some add up. And we realized that even in the very first 24 hours when they came up with the 2.11.1 and 2.11.2, and now in less than a month they are rolling out another one, which is 2.11.3 or maybe 3.5. We'll check it out very soon. I've taken the liberty of downloading it onto my card, and then I've inserted it at the back of the device itself, and I've even gone ahead to update the one on the system. So yeah, if you come here, you click update and you click on USB drive, now you see this contains 2.11.3 for your MPC. So now you can go ahead and upgrade. Are you sure you want to update? Click yes, but always remember before you do any update or upgrade to remove every MIDI device or any other USB that you might have connected to your device. It's always advisable to do so. And I have everything off. This is going to the sound, so that one doesn't really matter. And this one is actually not connected to anything right now. This is what I usually use to send data directly to the system, so it's not connected. So basically that's all we have right now. Then you click on update. Now while this is going on, I will just have to share my own opinion about Akai and its constant updates. Now, as a software developer that I am as well, there is something that I need to address. If Microsoft is coming up or rolling out an update, or Apple is bringing up, rolling out an update, they basically have on their website, or when they are throwing the update at you, they talk about what the update fixes. They talk about it, okay, fine, this update will take care of this and this and this. It fixes this and this and this. Every time there's a new update on Akai, I go check out their website. I go as far as checking up all of the Akai forums. None of them is talking about, and it starts from Akai. Akai is not even talking about what this update addresses, except if it's a major update. Like you're moving from 2.10 to 2.11. They say, oh, new features, new features, new features. But when you're rolling from 2.11.1 to 2.11.2, we should at least know what exactly have you fixed. When you're rolling from 2.11.2 to 2.11.3, we should at least know what exactly it is you have fixed. Do you get? Don't just tell us to go ahead and update. Go ahead and update. And because funny enough, even on my laptop, what I do is I read what the new update is fixing to know if I need it or not. If I go there and it's telling me, okay, fine, there's an update to GarageBand, and if you download this update, your GarageBand will, I don't use GarageBand, so I would definitely not even bother about that update. Instead of me to waste my data or waste my time trying to update, I'll just ignore that and wait for the next update. Check out what exactly those updates are, what they address before I go ahead and update it. But with Akai, every of my research just takes me back to new features, new features, new features. The same features you see in the 11.1, 11.2. You are seeing the same thing in 11.3, and you ask yourself, what exactly is that main thing that they are updating? Okay, so at the time of this recording, I think we have a release note for 2.11, and even before when it was 2.10 we had 2.10.1 release notes, but now we're only having 2.11 release notes. We don't have release note for 2.11.1, for 2.11.2, 2.11.3. We don't have the release note to know exactly what actually changed. What did you guys fix? I think Akai kindly try to be more open with us. Let us know exactly what you're fixing, so we'll know how to quickly get on board as soon as it comes out. But guys, generally I would just advise, because it's a new firmware, the major upgrade, I believe that anything that rolls out right now that just comes out is them still trying to fix one bug or the other. We talked about it in our previous video that you have to expect this. But so that means you can as well just go ahead and do your own update or upgrade. But I also believe that Akai should try and be more professional about this by letting us know exactly what is being modified, what is being changed. That will really help us a lot to know how to handle this. I think I'm done with the update. Let me go check what I have here. Menu preference. Now I am on 2.11.3, right? And I hope that works fine. So I will now have to start checking out to see exactly what changed, because a good example, one of my last issue was the fact that if I go to sound, some of my expansions does not load. Now a good example, Essential Instruments. It's still not working. An Essential Instrument works well if I go into my browser. It's all there. This works. This works. This works. So some of them basically works. Some of them do not. See, F9 Instruments not working. Okay, this even like what I put in there myself. Acoustic guitar, not there. You know, orchestra, not there. So majority of these issues are still pending. So we're wondering, what exactly did I just spend my data on to download and upgrade? And I don't know. There's nowhere to know. Anyways, that'll be all for now. Let me just know what your thoughts are as well on all these updates coming in, and the need for us to quickly go ahead and jump on it and download it and install it without knowing what exactly we're fixing. Yeah, that'll be all for now. See you guys in the next one.